Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Jay from Coding with Jaybird, where I upload weekly tutorials to help build your confidence in coding. Today we're going to be learning about HTML and CSS with my new apprentice, my niece, Janvi.
Hi.
So Janvi's in grade 9 and she's joining me today for Take Your Kid to Work Day. So I thought, why not show her some of my HTML code, which is kind of boring looking, and see what she can do to it and add her own custom style to it. So Janvi, you up for the task?
Yep.
All right, let's get started. So let's have a look at my code. Here's my index.html. It's kind of boring. There's really not much going on. So it's coding with my 13-year-old niece, Janvi. So I have a few paragraph tags, I have a section or two, and it's just basic gray and white with some simple CSS styling. So I'm going to hand over my keyboard and mouse to Janvi, and let's see what Janvi can do to kind of spruce this up a bit.
Okay, so now that I've taken over the file, I've changed my name over here because it's not Jaybird's file anymore. I'm going to add the link to the video right here. Now it will play in the back of our program. Ta-da! Now we have a nice little paperclip animation to have in the back of our website.
What are you going to do with dancing paper clips, Janvi?
You'll see, you'll see.
Okay.
Okay, and now I'm going to add the iframe to kind of make it my own. So here we have it. It should add my little GIF with a bunch of cool dancing people because we always need a nice GIF in our websites.
What are they doing?
They're dancing. What do you think?
Okay, are we going to dance after?
Yes.
Okay.
So now that we're done with our index HTML, we're going to move over to the CSS. Now, get rid of this boring gray and make it a nice lime green. Now that we've got this nice green, we're going to add a white text. Alright, now that we've changed the text color, we're going to change the font size to a bit bigger, 50 pixels, and change the color to fuchsia. Oops.
It's going to look nice and bright.
Yep. Okay, so now that we've changed the color, we are going to change the border color. Make it a little bit more fun and so that we can see it. And change the color to a nice purple.
That can look nice.
Now we're going to add a nice border style.
Wow, that looks great.
So now we have kind of this black and purple border going on. We can move on to the padding, which will change to 40 pixels. Save that. And also change the color to a nice golden yellow. Okay, so now I'm going to kind of make some tweaks to the video. Alright, now the text is able to go on top of the animation.
That looks awesome. So lively.
Yeah. Especially compared to the boring gray and blue before.
That looks amazing. I'm really impressed with Janvi's CSS styling. Not bad for someone who's quite new to this. So what do you guys think? Did you like my plain gray and white webpage better or Janvi's fancy spruced up version?
Leave it in the comments down below.
Let us know, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit like and a big thumbs up to this video. Until next week, keep on coding!